Hello guys and welcome back. So before continuing to write code, first let me show you a few things. For content publishing, if we move on to Instagram documentation, so it shows the requirements like access permission, access tokens, permissions, server and other things. So for permissions, it has given few permissions that we need these permissions to have to post to Instagram. And now you need to have your Facebook account, like here you can see mine, and you need to have one Instagram account. And do remember, the Facebook account should have one page. So let's create one page by going to plus icon and create. You can write the page name and all the things. So I have one page here, that is AntiConfusion. So if we switch on to this page, here, so you can see I have this page. And when we move on to settings and linked accounts, you can see that I have linked my Instagram account through this page. So if you haven't linked your business account of Instagram, you will see the connect account button here, and you simply have to click that button and it will take the credentials of Instagram and it will get connected like this. And this account, your Instagram one, should be of professional type or business type. So for that, click on more settings, and in here you can see it is saying switch to personal account. So if you have your professional account set up already, then it will show this, otherwise it will show that switch to professional account. So these are the things which we would be needing, and we would be needing one app. As you can see, I already have one, but we will create one application for this project. So click on create application, and instead of selecting setup using Facebook login, click on other, click on next, and we will be taking it as business type. And here let's write our app name, select our business and create app. It will ask for the password, give your Facebook password, and this developer.facebook.com will be available for you if you have your Facebook account. So you are not need to create any account for developer. It will work for your account of Facebook. So now we have our app created, that is RS, and in that app we will be needing Instagram Graph API and Facebook login for business, because we will be using this to our for our Instagram login. So click on setup for Instagram Graph API, and you can see this is now visible here, so that means it is included. Now let's move on to dashboard again and set up the Facebook login for business. So here we don't have to change anything. We only need to write our OAuth redirect URL here. This URL will be the same which we will be writing in our code. So let's write the URL. And click on save changes. Now it is reflecting here, and that's it. Now we have to code, and we will make user click on login using Facebook, and then we will ask for the permissions and so on. So let's continue on the next video.